Welcome to part 25, create virtual environment. So the dashboard underscore venv virtual environment in our local project was the only thing not copied over to the server. So in this video, we're going to create the virtual environment on the server inside of our project folder. So let's flip over here to our server, and I'm already inside of the Corona folder. Let me just show the contents again. So we're going to create this virtual environment. So we've already, Python 3 comes installed with Ubuntu 20.10, it's actually Python 3.8. So we're going to create the virtual environment just like this, just the same as we did in our local machine. So we're going to call the venv, or execute the venv module, all of it like this as a script. And then we're going to name the environment dashboard underscore venv like this. So it just takes a couple seconds to create. And now when I show the contents of Corona, then we have our virtual environment right there. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is activate this virtual environment. And to activate it, there's a activate script in the bin directory in our dashboard venv environment. So we run this, and then it is activated, and you'll know it's activated because the environment name will be prepended to your prompt. Okay, so that completes the creation of our virtual environment.